guys, welcome back to my channel. This past week I posted an Instagram poll asking what look you guys wanted to see next. The choices were cut crease, a smoky eye, a rainbow look, or a back to school look, and back to school look won by like a long shot. I'm just gonna do a simple kind of everyday makeup look that would be good to wear to school, and this is how I do my makeup if I actually wear makeup to school. Now, I normally don't whenever I go to class, but on the off occasion that I do, this is probably gonna be how I do it. So if you're interested, then please keep watching, and if you enjoy this video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. And if anyone has any requests, then feel free to comment down below or DM me on Instagram or any of my other social medias. I always have them listed in the down bar. So yeah, let's jump right in. Alright, first I just prime my face, because if I'm going to wear makeup to school, then I want it to actually stay all day without it getting like greasy. And I am gonna go in with foundation, but I'm not gonna do a lot, because if I'm gonna be wearing this to class and I'm gonna be walking around like on campus and stuff, then I mean, I get hot and sweaty, especially like going back to school in August. Like, you don't want like a ton of makeup on, because then whenever you're having to walk like a mile to your class, you just get all gross, and then there was no point in doing makeup to begin with. I know it looks like I'm putting on a lot of foundation, but I really didn't put that much on my face. Like, I tried to scrape some of the excess off before I put it on, but this color doesn't really match me as good now, so like it looks like I'm putting on so much, but I'm really not. And I'm actually gonna spray the sponge with just some of my Mario Badescu facial spray. I also have the rose water one, but this is just the one that I have next to me right now, because I want my beauty blender like really damp. That way we can make a little bit of foundation go a long way. Same with concealer, and I'm actually gonna go in with concealer now, and I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna put that around my nose like I always do, and just cover up any spots that I've got. Like, if I ever wear makeup to class, then a lot of times it's just because I want to like cover up stuff, like if I'm having like a bad skin day, or I'll wear makeup if I have like something to do like right after class. But honestly, like, this is still a little much. Like, normally if I'm gonna wear makeup to school, then I might just put like a little bit of concealer on like my pimples and stuff. But I figured that wouldn't be a very interesting video, so I thought I would do one that looked a little cuter. And I am still gonna highlight under my eyes with a Tarte Shape Tape, just because that's a step that's just like crucial to my routine. Even though I know this looks like it's really heavy, and the whole point of this is to not be heavy, it really doesn't feel that way. Now I am gonna go ahead and just do my brows just a little bit. I don't want my brows to be super defined for just like an everyday look, so I'm just gonna brush them out, and then I'm gonna go in with a brow pencil and just kind of shape them just a little. And this is actually just a Wet n Wild brow pencil, and I really just got it because it works well and it was super cheap. Like, I feel like whenever I bought it, it was probably like $1 or like $2 or something. So it serves its purpose really well for something like this whenever I don't want like really dramatic brows. Okay, now I'm just gonna set those with brow gel. Now I'm just gonna set my concealer with some Airspun powder, and I'm gonna tap that under the eye too to set the concealer, and around my nose, because I'm not gonna bake today because I'm not doing a lot of eyeshadow. And since this is for school, I'm gonna go in with just a big fluffy brush, and I normally don't really set my entire face just because this foundation is kind of drying, but I am just gonna kind of go over the rest of my face just to make sure everything stays nice and matte. Now I am going to go in with just a little bit of bronzer just because my face is so pale. Just to kind of bring some of the color back to my face. Now I'm going to go in with some Milani Baked Blush and just put that on my cheeks. And I am going to use some of this Mary Kay blush that's kind of got a little bit of a shimmer to it in the shade Strawberry Cream. And just tap that on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm also going to kind of bring that across the bridge of the nose just because it gives you just a really natural kind of flush to your face. I think it's really pretty and just kind of brightens your face up a little more. I am going to use a highlighter. I'm just going to use this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Wisp. I'm just going to kind of rub my finger on it and tap it onto the spots where you are kind of naturally highlighted by the sun. And I'm using my finger with this because the consistency is kind of like a gel. And I'm going to put a little on my nose and down the bridge. And then some on the Cupid's bow. And then I'm just gonna tap on top of it with my damp beauty blender just to kind of blend it out and make sure it looks really natural, not patchy. See, it looks really pretty. It kind of presses it into the skin and then it's not too intense. Just a really pretty natural highlight. And since it is a little wet, I'm just gonna go in with this Laura Geller highlighter and just tap just a little, just very lightly on top of it, just to set it. It's just more like a natural glowy look. It looks kind of intense on camera, honestly, but in person it's more just like a glow from within versus like a really blinding highlight. And I'm also gonna take this Laura Geller highlighter and pop it on the brow bone. And then for the eyes, I'm just gonna take just like a crease brush and I'm actually gonna tap into my bronzer and just put that very lightly in the crease and blend it out into the outer corner as well, just to add a little bit of color on the eye and a little bit of definition. And then I'm also gonna kind of blend that into the bottom lash line as well, just to add a little definition down there. What's good about using a bronzer to do this though is that it already kind of goes with your skin tone. I'm gonna just rub my finger on the Laura Geller highlighter and pop it on the inner corner for a highlight, just to brighten it up a little more. I'm gonna set my face using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And now I'm gonna go in with some L'Oreal Lash Paradise for mascara. And now I'm just gonna pop on a lip gloss. This is just a Revlon lip gloss in the shade Pango Peach. And there you have it. This is the final look. It's just really simple, but also very pretty and flattering. And I think it could work well on just about anyone. And it's perfect for school because it's not too time consuming and it's not too bold or anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye guys.